Are you looking for a below market price na property? 5 minutes away lang, nasa XLEX na via Eton Exit in front of Eton Square, and it's very near to UST, University of Santo Tomas, here in Santa Rosa, Laguna campus. Welcome to Riverbend. But before we show you the specific lot, let me introduce to you what Eton Properties are known for and how they build this beautiful and very accessible development here in Metro Santa Rosa. Riverbend is one of the residential projects of Eton here in Eton City, Santa Rosa, Laguna. And Eton City is a master plan development owned by Lusiotan Group, which is one of the biggest conglomerate here in the Philippines. So dito, we will find commercials, no? Kagaya ngayon kung nasan ako, which is yung Eton Square, and mga residential, which is yung pupuntahan natin later. And also, napakalapit lang niya sa mga schools and university. Best example is UST and soon to build University of the East. Soon, may kita nyo rin na nakatayo na itong UE or University of the East Santa Rosa Laguna Campus. Kapag tumaas na yung demand dito sa area and kapag fully development na dito sa Eton City. And UST naman, kung makikita nyo, nakatayo na yung building yan, sooner or later, mag-ooperate na din po yan. And para ma-realize nyo lang, no, gaano kalabit nga pa itong universities na to dito sa Eton City. Actually, tanaw na tanaw yung UST sa loob ng Riverbend, ganun siya kalapit. And kung iniisip nyo na Carlwin, tabi-tabi na pala talaga yung mga schools and university dyan sa area. Actually, binabansagan na nga nila itong area ng Metro Santa Rosa na the University Belt of the South dahil sa mga schools and universities na literal na tabi-tabi na lang. Kumbaga ilang kilometro na lang yung pagitan, bawat likumo, bawat development, may mga schools and university na pwede mong pagpilian kapag dito ka nakatira. So if you are planning to move here in South, specifically here in Metro Santa Rosa, Laguna, hindi mo na kailangan problemahin yung magiging schools ng anak mo in the future. No? Comparing to Manila na sobrang daming estudyante, which is nagkokos na nga ng traffic, sa kagaya nga ng sinabi ng client ko, halos nakakaaway na nila yung mga enforcer dahil halo-halo na yung emosyon, yung init, yung traffic. So dito, you have a space pa. No? And napakalapit mo lang sa magiging schools ng anak mo. That's why hindi mo na magiging problema kapag susunduin mo na sila. Eton City is a 600 hectares mixed-use development and it is also known for its development of residential na very exclusive. Kagaya na lang nito kung nasan tayo ngayon, which is Riverbend, and Eton City is also known for its gateway going to south using its exclusive exit, which is Eton's Exit. So mga around 5 minutes away lang from here sa kinatatayuan natin is nasa XLEX ka na going to Alabang, Taguig, or Makati. Aside from Riverbend, we also have Westwing Residences. It is a 20 hectares residential development and they are offering lot sizes starting from 80 square meter to 256 square meter. And the price start there from 36,000 to 39,000 per square meter. Next is Tierra Bella. Tierra Bella is a 8.7 hectares residential development here in Eton City. And they are offering lot size there starting from 200 square meter to 300 plus square meter. And the price start there from 39,000 pesos to 42,000 pesos per square meter. Last is the South Lake Village. South Lake Village is a premium development of Eton here in Eton City. It is a 78 hectares residential development surrounded, the lots is surrounded by a 35 hectares man-made lake. So it's very premium. The lot sizes are offering from around 400 square meter to 1,400 square meter. And the prices start there from 42,000 per square meter to 60,000 pesos per square meter. And here in Riverbend, which we are right now, no? Dito naman sa Riverbend, it is a 9.1 residential development and the lot sizes here are started from 180 square meter to around 350 square meter. And the price right now here is around 39,500 to 42,000 pesos per square meter. All of the price that I said earlier is the developer current price. And right now, ang pupuntahan natin is yung resale properties na pinalis ng ating client dito sa Riverbend na corner lot facing Morning Sun, and isa pa, they are selling it for 32,000 pesos only per square meter. So very below market value, and isa pa, nag-iisa lang ito na ating property na available right now dito sa Riverbend. So ano pang inintay nyo? Tara, puntahan na natin. Right now, we're here on the exact property na tinutukoy ko sa inyo. No? So ito po yung exact lot. Kung makikita nyo dito sa likod ko, fresh na fresh, no? Galing sa ating viewer from YouTube, which is yung last video ko about Solen Residences Phase 1 na resale din. So ito naman, ganun din, agad-agad nag-message si ma'am. So syempre, tayo naman agad-agad, syempre, available tayo, pinuntahan agad natin. Again guys, this is a resale lot. It has a lot area of 232 square meter, and it is a corner lot facing Morning Sun, and perfect na perfect for your dream house. So dito, sa mga ganitong sukat ng lote, pwede ka na makapagpatayo ng at least 3 to 4 bedrooms, no? Palalo na if you're a starting family, gusto nyo magpatayo ng sarili nyong bahay, dito, perfect na perfect yung spot. In this lot size, guys, sobrang spacious na ng magagawa mong house design. Again, this one is a resale properties, and it is available on the market for 32,000 per square meter only, no? With a total price of around 7,656,000 pesos only. So yun po yung total price nitong property na ito. And this is a corner lot again, facing Morning Sun, at napakaganda ng location because sobrang exclusive. At wala pa nakapagpatayo ng bahay actually. Comparing to developer's price right now, no, sabihin natin na around 40,000 per square meter only times 232 square meter. That's around 9,280,000 for the total price. Again, that is for developer's price, no? And I think mas tataas pa nga, no, kasi may price difference yung mga ganitong uri ng lote, corner lot at Morning Sun. So mga around 10 million aabutin yung mga ganitong presyo right now sa developer. Bali pumapatak na nakatipid ka na dito ng around 8,000 per square meter. With the total of that is around 1.8 million, pwede mo nang idagdag sa pagpapatayo ng property mo dito sa Riverbend. How about the payment terms, Carlwin? Is it available for cash only? Available ito for bank loan or bank financing. Depende sa inyo. Pero syempre, preferred pa rin ni owner is cash payment. If bank naman, wala namang problema. Any banks naman, pwede. Mas maganda nga if may preferred pa kayong bank kasi kung tingin nyo, mas ma-approve kayo doon. So, pwede natin siya doon ipasok. Pero if wala naman kayong idea, pwede naman namin kayong tulungan. Especially if BDO. Kasi lately lang, ang dami naming mga clients na napa-approve sa BDO. So, at least doon, meron na tayong nabuong history. May credibility na tayo, no? And also, pwede namin kayong i-refer doon sa kinakausap namin doon sa BDO. Para at least, mas mabilis yung approval and also, para matulungan din kayo. How about the discount? So the price of this property actually kay owner negotiable pa naman siya. Sabi ko nga lagi, cash is king. So as long as you will pay it in cash, so pwede natin pag-usapan yung magiging price as per owner. And before we end this video, let me give you a quick tour, no, dito sa very beautiful and very exclusive subdivision only here at Riverbend in Eton City, Santa Rosa, Laguna.
I wouldn't say it, would I?
Once you wouldn't.
Well, bye.
It's time we leave.
So if you are planning to move here in South, specifically here in Metro Santa Rosa, Laguna, looking for a below market price na property, corner lot, Morning Sun, this one is for you. So if you have any question, clarification, you can comment down below. And if you are a unit owner here in the area, you can list your property with us. You can call us directly, that is 63969 6020739. And it has a Viber and WhatsApp para sa ating mga kababayan working abroad. Thank you for watching, guys. That's all. See you on my next one.